Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video we will share another set of drills for professional education. This video contains a questions, correct answer and rationalization. What is the best way to discipline a child? A. With physical punishment. B. With timeouts. C. With positive reinforcement. D. With a combination of all of the above. Correct answer is letter C. With positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is the best way to discipline a child. This means rewarding them for good behavior and ignoring or redirecting bad behavior. Physical punishment and timeouts can be effective in the short term, but they are not as effective in the long term and can actually have negative consequences. What significant change did K-12 bring to the curriculum? A. Introduction of foreign language classes. B. Inclusion of more extracurricular activities. C. Incorporation of specialized tracks for SHS students. D. Replacement of traditional classrooms with virtual learning. The correct answer is letter C. Incorporation of specialized tracks for senior high school students. Incorporation of specialized tracks for SHS students. One of the key changes brought about by K-12 is the introduction of various tracks in senior high school. These tracks allow students to focus on specific areas of interest, such as academics, technical vocational, sports, and arts and design. A teacher is evaluating the effectiveness of her curriculum. She wants to collect data on how well her students are learning. Which of the following assessment methods would be most appropriate? A. Formative assessments, such as quizzes and homework assignments. B. Summative assessments, such as unit tests and final exams. C. Both formative and summative assessments. D. None of the above. Correct answer is letter C. Both formative and summative assessment. Both formative and summative assessments are important for evaluating the effectiveness of a curriculum. Formative assessments can help the teacher to identify areas where students need additional support, while summative assessments can provide an overall measure of student learning. What are the 4 C's of 21st century education? A. Critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and consistency. B. Communication, collaboration, camaraderie, and critical thinking. C. Creativity, critical thinking, communication, and collaboration. D. Collaboration, communication, critical thinking, and computation. Correct answer is letter C. Creativity, critical thinking, communication, and collaboration. The 4 C's of 21st century education are creativity, critical thinking, communication, and collaboration. These skills are essential for success in the 21st century workforce as they allow individuals to think critically, solve problems, work effectively with others, and communicate effectively. A public school teacher in the Philippines is assigned to teach a subject outside of their expertise. What should they do? A. Decline the assignment. B. Request additional training. C. Seek assistance from a colleague. D. Resign from their position. Correct answer is letter B. Request additional training. According to the Magna Carta for public school teachers in the Philippines, teachers have the right to professional advancement. They can request additional training to improve their skills and knowledge in the subject they are assigned to teach. This is the end of this drills. Don't forget to subscribe to keep you updated if we upload new drills. Thank you for watching.